Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own word cloud with the help of the software Wordle, which is available online and which is available for free. This is the application that I used to create the Wordle for Module 5 on graphic design. It's one of the tasks that you have to do, and I thought, well, you might like to see how to create one of these word clouds. It's really very simple, you'll see. First of all, instead of putting the address of Wordle, which is the name of that application that I used, I'm going to put in the address bar, okay, this is Chrome, by the way, the browser is Chrome, word cloud and Wordle. Okay, I'm going to hit return and we'll see what happens, what appears here. This is why I did this, okay? Instead of typing in the exact address of Wordle, because what comes up on Google is create and gallery, and this is where I want to go directly, to create. So I click on that, and here I have my page with a lot of things that look very complicated, but no, I must say this is really very simple. What I often do is I have the words selected previously and in a text file, and I just simply paste them here. Okay, but of course you can just start thinking about them and type them in directly. Alright, or it says here, or enter the URL of any blog, blog feed, or any other web page that has an Atom or RSS feed. You might want to do that if you're working with blogs, or you have a blog that you really would like to work with now. Instead of this, I'm just going to show you the pasting, okay? And these are the words that I use for the Wordle I created for Module 5. I'm going to hit go and see what happens. Okay. This takes a little bit, but not too much. Hopefully. It won't take too much. Okay, and an applet from WordleAppspot.com is requesting access to your computer. Okay, and so forth. I'm going to allow it. Of course, we should read these messages more carefully, right? Which I never do. So anyway, the application has generated this image for me. Okay, and it may happen that I'm very happy with it. Okay, and I'm going to decide to open another window, to print it out, to save to the public gallery, which, as you know, many of these applications which offer free services also require that you make whatever you're working on public. And this way they get people to perhaps pay the registration or pay a monthly fee or whatever. This happens, if you remember, in VoiceThread. Whatever you create is made public unless you pay, okay, for using the app. So I don't mind. This is nothing private, okay, it's nothing special. There are no copyright problems. So I'm going to, just save it when I'm finished and make it public. Well, let's say I'm not happy with this Wordle. First of all, it's in horizontal position, right? And I want my students to see the words clearly. The colors I don't mind, or the background, so I'm not going to do much now. I'll leave that to you creative students that I know you're creative. But I am going to say, for example, randomize and see what happens. Okay, what has happened? Basically, let's see, it's going to change things. What has it changed? It's changed the typeface, it's changed the position, okay, it's changed the way they're shown. They're no longer horizontal position, okay, they're in a vertical one now. I can randomize again, okay. What if this, this one I like very much, actually, much more than the other ones. I may even leave it for you. So anyway, the idea is that I'm doing something a bit more attractive with words, okay. I could then, for example, post this on VoiceThread and have you comment on this. But what kinds of comments? Well, for example, defining the words. For example, for example, redefining them, finding synonyms, using them in the sentence. I could create all sorts of activities based on this Wordle. Okay, so what if I want to change the font myself, okay, and not waiting for the program to do it? Or if I want to change the layout, okay, I'm quite happy with this one, but let's say I want to change that, okay. It should allow me to. It's not allowing me now. I don't know why, but it should allow me to do this. Or perhaps I can go to the gallery and find others, right? Could you go back? Okay. I'm going to create my Wordle again. And I don't like this typeface at all. I'm going to randomize. Okay. So you can keep randomizing, okay, and not influence yourself directly, okay, what is happening here. Or you can actually, you can click on edit, okay, language, font, okay, layout, and here you have any which way. In other words, you're allowing the program to do this for you. They're going to situate the words in any way, okay, no clear option. Okay, this is quite slow today, I see. Okay, so finally, oh, it's very slow. So you can choose horizontal, mostly horizontal. Some words are not going to be in the horizontal position, but perhaps in vertical, half and half, okay, literally, 50-50, mostly vertical or vertical. Okay, you prefer alphabetical order, the maximum words, rounder edges, straighter edges. The color you can choose from color in the background, selecting that there be color in the background, and then a range of colors here, or white background with these colors, or whatever this is, which I don't know, and a custom palette, and you can edit it. Okay, you can select the exact palette colors, a little variation, some, lots of variation, or wild variation, and this is really very interesting also. So I would say that you really I would say that you should have a look at this, that you should have a look at this software. I think you should have a look at this software and just try it out. Try to make, you know, learning vocabulary something different for your students. And as you can see, it could be technical vocabulary, you know, and you could have them just review it, write sentences. They could do it as a part of a written exercise or as part of a speaking exercise, which is what you're doing for Module 5. So I highly recommend this. Finally, you would save it if you're happy, or when you're happy, you would save your Wordle to a public gallery. Okay, so thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you find it useful as I do. Thank you.